Hi, I'm Peter Simpson, Product Owner for OneTick. Now today I want to walk through access and specifically querying today's market data. Now we've provided on-demand access to historic market data for years, covering global equities, indices, futures and options. Now this equates to the collection and storage of around 5 million instruments, covering around 200,000 equities, 80,000 ETFs, nearly 200,000 futures, nearly 4 million options. As you can see the variety here. Now customers can access this data, which relates to around 2 terabytes of data we're collecting a day. And that data goes back into the 1990s via REST, where we have a series of REST endpoints people can pull down. So literally call the URL, open it up, and then return data. Or it could be via SQL. Just type in the SQL, select the database, select the table, select the symbol, time range, click apply, and get back the data. Or it can be via Python. And we actually have 2 Python dialects. One is directed graph based, and one is more of a pandas style API. Both you're retrieving the data. But this doesn't have to be historic. It can also be real time. Now, our real-time coverage focuses on equities and futures from liquid markets. For futures, this includes CME, ICE, and Eurex. Now, today, in the examples, I'll query the US equity market where we're subscribing to the SIP. So trades, quotes, and BBO. Now, once the exchange paperwork is in place and you're authorized, you can access live market data. Otherwise, it's T+1 historical access. Now I can use the same queries to subscribe to both real-time data as I do for historic data. The only change is the time retrieval period. So let's have a look at SQL. And I can see a SQL query that's looking back historically. Let's go more recent. And now I'm querying Cisco for the last 5 minutes. Now we're pulling back the data. Here I'm just asking for the price size and trade condition fields. If I wanted all of the fields, apply. Now I'm coming back with that data. So whether we're looking historically or we're looking live, it's the same query logic. And you can span both historic, so back yesterday, today, up to the live point. Now we don't load intraday in batches, we're subscribing to the live market data feeds and loading them into in-memory databases so they're ready for trading analytics, so you can query as the data arrives. And that could be looking at the data visually, which is probably more unusual. So here I'm showing data visually, but the expected usage is for non-display access via APIs. Again, REST, SQL, Python. And as it's REST, you could be querying also through C#, Java, etc. So as well as the tick-by-tick, trade, quote, and BBO, we could also be looking at trade bars, where with the history, we're providing pre-calculated 1-minute trade bars, 1-minute quote bars. With real-time, we also provide access to real-time quote, real-time trade bars. And there's the daily roll-up, where we're looking at day ticks. So let's look at that in SQL. I'm either looking at the trades, or I could be looking at the quote bars, the trade bars, or kind of day records. Where I'm coming back with a OHLC and then volume split into different categorization. Now for real-time markets, we're providing access to the tick and trade bars that we're pre-generating. We're also providing a last value cache, and that's across the whole market. So rather than querying for a couple of symbols for history, you can just do a simple query and pull back the whole market. And then that market continuously update as new data is flowing through. And I'm just selecting how much I'm wanting to retrieve. This kind of last value cache will include the last trade price, last trade size, but it will have also added metrics. So that's kind of high-low range, the open, the previous close, the change on the day, the accumulated volume, and the accumulated traded value.